going to make a steampunk submarine out of a Wazbom Blastajet, which is a Warhammer kit. So the steampunk submarine is nearly finished, and I'm using different shades of silver, a lighter silver in the mouth to the body of the machine, and I like to do that, add some variation. Now, I may weather it, I may not at this stage. I will add some decals, I've got some more things to add to it. This is essentially very fish shaped, isn't it? And that is why I thought this would make a good conversion into a steampunk submarine. It was an Orc spacecraft, and normally it would have wings on it. I've used wings or winglets, some part from an F22 Raptor there. But otherwise all of these parts were pretty much from this kit. I have used some internal parts from other kits as well. You know what, I'm pretty pleased with this. I really like it as a steampunk submarine. So here is steampunk submarine Luna, and this I really do like. I think it's very submarine-like, made from an aircraft kit, a Warhammer aircraft kit. And this is for a possible future Cato layout.